Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is important features of Python. This is the second topic of getting started with Python. Let's start. Python has many features. I have listed here some of the important features. Let's begin with free and open source. Python is free and open source, which means you don't need to pay to use the source code. It is freely available on its official website www.python.org. It has opened the door of opportunities for many startups and independent entrepreneurs big time. Simple and easy to code and learn. Python is easy to learn as compared to other programming languages. Its simple coding style is much the same as English language. Python can perform complex tasks using a few lines of code, while other languages take multiple lines of code. Wide range of standard libraries and framework. Sometimes these two terms, libraries and frameworks, are used interchangeably. But in short, libraries are reusable codes and frameworks are the structural environment to develop applications. Python has plethora of standard libraries and frameworks. This picture shows a few of them. Let's identify some libraries and framework based on the type of application. For web application development, frameworks such as Django, Flask, Web2Py are used. For artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning and deep learning, these are some of the libraries. TensorFlow, Keras, Theano, PyTorch, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn. For mobile app development, Kiwi is used. For desktop app development, Kinter, PyQt is used. For game development, Pygames is used. For database development, Python provides libraries for open source DB such as SQLite, MySQL, and Postgres. Python has large community across the world that is dedicatedly working towards making new Python libraries. Cross-platform language. Python applications can be developed in different platforms and can also run on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac operating system. So we can say that Python is a portable language. It enables programmers to develop the software for several competing platforms by writing a program only once. Extensible and embeddable. It is possible to extend Python code by including code from other programming languages into Python code. For example, CPython is a compiler written in C program. We can also embed Python code in another programming language as well. For example, Python code can be embedded into C and C++ programs. Thanks for watching. I hope that you like this video. For more details, view the description below. See you in next video.